On today's episode of The Food Plane, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate lava cake. That's right, you can make this at home. Chocolate lava cake. I'm going to show you how to make it. Oh yeah. First thing you need to do is set up your double boiler. Put a little bit of water in a pot and then set up your bowl on top of that. So as the water heats, you don't want the water to boil, but as the water heats, it begins to melt the chocolate and the butter. So you want a stick of butter and 6 ounces of chocolate in that bowl. Here you want 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. Now, as you can see here on the double boiler, as I was saying, you don't want the water to boil. You kind of want it just as you see here. So you're going to want to constantly be stirring this. You want to incorporate the fat with the chocolate. As you can see here, it is melting. It is beginning to melt. There you see the butter melting already. Also, it's very important, this is very important that you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe right now to this channel. If you love fun food facts and cool recipes like this is the channel for you. And this chocolate will not mix right with the butter unless you subscribe. You have to subscribe for the chocolate and the butter to mix well. So leave a comment. Have you ever had chocolate lava cake before? Have you ever made it before? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. You know what they say about chocolate now. Chocolate is an Afro, Nemedak. You know what I'm talking about. Can't say certain things on YouTube. Ain't trying to start nothing here. But there you have it. Look at that. Now you want to take it off of the boiler as it begins to, as you see the butter begin to melt, because the coolness from the butter, the remaining of the butter will cool down somewhat the chocolate mix. So that's what you want. Just take it off the boiler towards the end and the butter will melt on its own. There you have it. Look at that silky yumminess. This is a rich, decadent dessert. Rich, decadent dessert, but it's so cool once you cut into it and that lava, the chocolate lava flows. Oh yeah. Now you're going to take your 2 entire eggs and then your 2 egg yolks, and you're going to put them in a bowl. You're about to start whisking now. So into this bowl, you're also going to add a 4th cup of sugar and a 4th teaspoon of salt. And you're going to begin to whisk this away. Start to beat the eggs until they are pale and thick. So just begin to whisk away right now. Also, the ramekins that you're using, this is going to make 6 small lava cakes. So you're going to want to put butter in the ramekins and then powder them with some flour and just tap away any excess flour. You don't want any excess flour. But doing the butter and the flour will enable your lava cake to just pop right out. So you begin to whisk away, whisk away, whisk away until you get that pale and thick look that you want. You can serve lava cake with ice cream. You can serve it with banana ice cream, coffee ice cream, peanut butter ice cream. You can serve it with just pieces of fruit. So as you can see here, now I'm starting to get that thickness that I want. Now I have a little bit of foam on top. This is all going to help in the process. So this is exactly where you want it. Nice. Look at how thick it is. Now you're going to take 2 tablespoons of flour and put that into your chocolate, and you're going to mix that into the chocolate. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because this flour won't mix well with the chocolate unless you subscribe. Please like and share, let other people know, spread the word. It really helps us a lot, helps us reach more foodies just like you. So here you want to mix this well. You want to look at that. Oh man, that's silky, chocolatey. Now you take that chocolate and put it into your egg mixture. Yeah, I try to draw something there. Kind of, I don't know, looks like a sun or something. It's something, you know. Yeah, it's up to interpretation. But anyway, all right. So you start to fold. You want to fold that chocolate in. You want to fold it in. You do not want to just start whisking and mixing it. You just slowly want to fold it in. Just fold it in, just like you see here. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. When these come out, and you're going to go into the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes, depending on your oven. Every oven is different, so it could be up to 12 minutes. But 7 to 8 minutes, 450 degrees. When they come out, let them cool for 1 minute. Don't be afraid to make these at home. Just make them, follow the video as you're making them, and pause when you need to, because these are delicious. Don't miss out. You don't have to go to a fancy restaurant. Here they are when they come out of the oven. Let them cool for 1 minute, and then you're going to take a knife and kind of, circle around them so that they're easy to pop out. You're going to have to flip them out onto a plate or onto a surface. Give them a little powdered sugar, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The volcano is about to erupt. Oh, yes, look at that. You can do this at home. Look at this. Here we go. Might as well do another one, right? Oh, did you see that? Oh my God, the buttery richness, the chocolatey, the decadence. Oh my God, here, let's just do another one. My Lord, look at this. You can do this at home. Don't be afraid to make these. Impress some of your neighbors and some of your loved ones and friends. These are delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you like fun food fact videos and recipes like this, please press that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Until next time.